Next menu is folded clade. If you want to fold one of the clade, you can move your mouse to the branches, one of branch, and click and select fold this clade. And you need to provide a new node ID for this folded clade, like you can fold multiple clades. And from this menu, you can control the fill color of this clay and the fill opacity. If you want to set custom colors of each folded clay, you can turn on this switch and select the color you want. You can also use the color set from other paper you like you can make a screenshot of one of the papers, and you can pin this screenshot and it will always be in the front of your screen, and you can use the color selector to pick the color you want. The software I use to make screenshot is called Sneak Paste. You can search this name and in Google and to its official website and download.